everyone. Good morning. Today we will be transforming superlative degree into positive as well as comparative. Let's see. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. This is a superlative sentence, right? Now, what does this sentence tell you? And before transforming, as usual, I tell you always that you cannot change the meaning of the given sentence. Okay. So, what does this sentence say? And degrees are what? Degrees are comparison. Here the comparison is between whom? Here comparison is between Mohan as well as the other boys in the class. Okay. And degrees are centered around, I told you, adjectives. So, what is the adjective used here? That is tall. Okay. And as per our rules, I have told you that how to change the degree. I have told you that if a adjective has a vowel plus a consonant, then the EST, tall, taller as it is, you know it also. So this is the superlative degree of the adjective tall. And tallest boy in the class. Comparison is 1:1. Now, if we make the positive degree for it, how does it turn out to? That no other, when the comparison is there, the EST or the most means that he is at the top, rest all are below him. Okay, so here Mohan is the tallest. None other but Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. So our positive degree starts with no other boy in the class is so tall as Mohan. No other boy in the class is so tall as Mohan. Okay, so here sometimes in many of the cases you would find in books also no other boy, but as we have formed that negation is followed with so. So I have told you that no other boy in the class is as tall as Mohan. You might get somewhere, but here no other boy is so tall as Mohan. This is which degree I have changed it to? This is positive degree sentence. Now comparative degree. Okay, comparative degree. What is the adjective? Tall. ER we add. I told you with the rules. ER or more. But here we will be adding ER. Tall is the adjective. So Mohan is taller. Mohan is taller than has to be there because it's a comparison. Mohan is taller than any other boy in the class. Mohan is taller than any other boy in the class. This is a comparative sentence. Okay, ER than. So, what the best part is, and the superlative degrees are done in two forms. The one comparison is 1:all and the other one is 1 among the all. That example I will show you. So, here it is the tallest, means no one is there who is as tall as Mohan, and the means Mohan is taller than any other boy more examples. I'll make it clear. Okay. My house is the biggest in our area. My house is the biggest in our area. So the adjective is biggest. And this is which degree? The est is super. I am writing short forms. I hope you understand. So superlative degree. Okay. And now we are changing it. So positive degree. No other house in our area. No other house in our area is so big as as mine. Or my house also you can write as mine. It is understood my house, or you can write my house. Okay, so no other house in our area is so big as mine or my house, and that's why my house is the biggest. And what would be the comparative degree? My house is bigger, comparative, double G-E-R. Okay, my house is bigger than. Here we have told that if an adjective has a vowel plus G is the consonant and I is the vowel, then we make it comparative. We double the consonant and add ER or EST. Okay, so my house is bigger than any other, means no other house is so big as mine, and that's why my house is the biggest, is bigger than any other house in our area. And this is which degree? Comparative degree. Here I hope, again I tell you, my house is the biggest. Why is my house the biggest in our area? Because as big as my house, no other house is there. So no other house is so big as my house. And that is why my house is bigger than any other house in our area. So this is the superlative, positive as well as comparative. Okay. Now I will take with the most. Mr. Khan is the most intelligent teacher. Okay, Mr. Khan is the most intelligent teacher. So, same it will come. No other teacher is, because singular, is so intelligent or as intelligent as Mr. Khan. This is positive superlative. This is positive degree, and comparative will be Mr. Khan is more intelligent. We use for comparative degree more, so as, and here the most. More intelligent. Mr. Khan is more intelligent than, has to be there, than whom? Any other. Why any other? Because the most. Any other This is what? This is comparative. So the est I have shown superlative. This is the most also I have shown you. Now I'll tell you the other form of superlatives. Let us see. Bhagavad Gita is one of the holiest book in Hinduism. Or holiest book of Hindus. Bhagavad Gita is one of the holiest books or book of Hindus. Okay. So previous sentence, how did I do? The est I have used. Here it is one of the est. Now here what have I done? I told you and go with the rule, that is the word or adjective which ends with a consonant Y. In that case we remove the Y, and for superlative degree we add IEST, and for comparative degree we add IER. So here holy ends with the consonant Y, so I have made it holiest, IEST. Okay, so now this statement shows it's the superlative degree, but the previous one, Mohan is the tallest boy in the class, means none of them are there who are so tall as Mohan. No other boy, means Mohan is the tallest. But here what is it says that Bhagavad Gita is one of the holiest books. One of the holiest books means some few are there who are or which are as holy as the Bhagavad Gita. So what do we say? That comparative degree, the superlative degree sentence this is. So our positive will start with very few books, because few is plural. Very few books are books of Hindus. Very few books of Hindus are plural books, that's why are. Here it was Bhagavad Gita singular, so it was is. Here books is plural, so are. Very few books of Hindus are as holy as Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so this is which degree? This is positive degree sentence. This sentence shows very few books are as holy as Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is one of the holiest, but some are there. Very few means some. Some books are there which are equally holy as Bhagavad Gita. Please understand this concept. Whenever one of the is there in superlative degree, means few are there like the subject or noun which are there in that sentence. And when we have a superlative degree, the est, previous sentence, the tallest, means no one is there like the character used over there or the subject used over in the sentence. This thing you got to understand very clearly. So what is this told? Very few books of Hindus are as holy, this is positive degree, as adjective as Bhagavad Gita. And comparative degree, Bhagavad Gita is holier, IER, than many other books of Hindus. Bhagavad Gita is holier than many other books of Hindus, or if it is given Hindu books, what as it is the sentence. So Bhagavad Gita is holier than many other books of Hindus. Now, one hint I would give you, that when it is one of the EST, then positive degree turns out with as adjective as, this is only is the adjective, and your comparative degree has many other, okay, and so positive degree will start with very few. In the previous sentence, where it was the tallest, then your positive degree started with what? It was no other. But here it is one of the, so positive degree starts with very few and comparative degree has many other, whereas in the tallest, comparative degree was any other, means no one is there next to. So this thing, if you remember the hint, you won't find any problem. I'll help you with few more examples. Amla, as in this season, all of you know, and COVID, danger of COVID. So Amla is the best alternative. And as well, in winter, we should consume maximum of Amla, that consists vitamin C. Okay, so Amla is one of the best citrus fruit. Amla is one of the best citrus fruit. This is superlative degree. Okay, we have to change it into positive. So what do we say? Very few. I told you positive will start with very few when one of the EST is there. So very few what? Fruits. Very few. Amla is singular, so is. Fruits are plural, so are. Very few fruits are as citrus as Amla. This is which degree? Positive degree. Very few fruits are as citrus as Amla. And comparative degree, Amla is best, so better. Is better than many other citrus fruit. Okay, so Amla is better than, because best. So comparative degree is better. Here, as good as here, good here not used, but citrus here, the best citrus food. So you say very few fruits are as citrus as Amla. Amla is better than many other citrus fruits. This is what? This is comparative degree. Okay? So another thing, again I repeat, one of the, then here we have, it starts with very few, and the comparative degree has many other. Okay, and another thing you remember that the superlative degree and the comparative degree beginning is same. Amla is, the subject whatever is used, that would be the same, as the beginning would be same. So this is how one of the is used over here. You could be asked to, sometimes you would be asked change the degree. So if it is given the sentence, you can, for example, if I give the same sentence, that I'll take a different sentence. Physics is the TOUGHEST. Physics is the toughest subject. Maybe for many of you it isn't, but just an example. Physics is the toughest subject. EST, or if the same thing, physics is one of the toughest subject. Okay, both the case superlative degree sentence, and you are asked that change the degree, then you can change it either into positive degree or comparative. Okay, but if at times instruction is given that use as dot dot as, you would be instructed use as dot dot as, means as adjective as, which is the adjective toughest. So what do we say? That physics, in this case we will write physics is the toughest, means what? No other subject is as tough as or so tough as physics. And in one of the toughest means we will start with very few. Very few subjects are as tough as physics. Similarly, if it is comparative degree, then you would be asked use more than, or you will be asked use that than in the sentence, or use than, anything you would be asked as per the sub adjective. So what would be the comparative degree for this? That physics is tougher than any other subjects. Tougher, tougher, toughest. Physics is tougher than any other subjects. And in this case, one of this thing will be, that is, physics is tougher than many other subjects. Any other, many other. Very few and no other. These are the degrees. What it would be, you will be asked also use very few. That means you have to make it positive degree. If it is asked that use no other or use many other, that way also instructions would be given. So going with the word, you should understand that which degree you got to change the sentence into. So I have tried to explain you in the most easiest way possible, and I hope you have understood it. Thank you for watching the video. With further queries, I will help you out with few more examples. Thank you for watching the